ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
General Secretary jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association wa finally pariat hak Sautrik jemang arja apsau ula Paidbah ya fourth senior rollerball Federation Cup bala pelong daga Meghalaya Rollerball Association bala ishimenta ki khatwei tili kin huan jong ishenrang bar ki kan thei ni jalawa pher jong kari hakani ke lumpung yela ka ga ba arsngi bala pelong basketball coach jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong ban sapun kut hak santrik jemang arja apsau Sakilang do Principal jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Reverend Father Anthony Karkongor President jong Meghalaya Rollerball Association bat kiwe hakani kasngi Working President jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Khashieng Rocket Bok Riwang yak Association bat kermenru baling bagani ke jingela kai ke Meghalaya kan sei yakirang bat kithe yela kai.
I was in Pune and I played for Maharashtra before. So I came back here and started this game. And we saw that many youths can do well in this game. So that's the reason we started. And as you all know, Rollerball started in 2003 by Raji Dawade, which is my coach when I was training. So now it's almost more than 20 years and we have developed more than 50 countries. And now we are hosting for the first time in Meghalaya Rollerball, 4th Federation Cup Rollerball. So all are welcome, all the states, and we hope all the best to all the states. Thank you.
Penn State and the whole Meghalaya to this 4th Rollerball Federation Cup. For me, it's the first time to see this live. I'm very happy to have the government secretary of the Rollerball this one, Father Anthony, was very active in supporting sports and games in our state. He's very passionate and we are lucky to have him giving this facilities to have this Rollerball championship. Without him, it won't be possible. I would thank Basopin, who will be the brain behind this Rollerball. He has spent 1 year before. I'm pleased to announce here that on behalf of the State we have given appreciation to the Rollerball session from this year onwards. So you are now part of the Olympic, and we do hope that with your hard work of the team, we can promote Rollerball also, since the first time we have seen it. Our government, under the leadership of Msoa, has been actively supporting the youth of Meghalaya in giving facilities and equipment to all. We have given awards to all the national players, scholarship to all the top athletes of this state. I hope that the Rollball Association will work hard to produce national champions at the national level. I won't take much of time. I welcome all the states, 10 states come from outside. Hope they have a wonderful stay in our state. And I wish all the team all the best, the team viewers. Thank you very much.
We are working in 134 countries, and in India we have everywhere all the Muslim schools. In different states we all have. So this is in Shillong, the only one. We have around 46 schools run by the Paidbah School organization. You are welcome, and it is my joy to see that the first Rollball Federation Cup is held in our school. And perhaps maybe first in the state, first, and I appreciate and acknowledge the great work of the coach, Msoa, and also the guest of honor, the chief guests who see with us. I'm sure you all are here because you love what you do and you do what is love. Is it not? Please, before you go home, at least repeat after me. Love what you do. Please say, do what you love. You are all here because you have a passion towards this discipline. And you manifested it because I've seen the game that was just gone ahead of us. It was fantastic, marvelous, gracious, and adorable. Yeah, admirable. You're such a talented guys, youth as you are.
gendut na po ini kaya. Iya. Kaya sama-sama ya. Hah?
So kemen shikadai ba kalawan mo ka Federation Cup kalong buram ya jela Meghalaya ya ka jela jungi burakoi ba ka Rule Ball Federation ka pelong ya ka Federation Cup ka pasau hani shilong ai kublei ya ka Rule Ball Meghalaya Rule Ball Association ka ba ladon ka professional ka jing itu long professional na ka MSOE but ni so kemen ba kini ki kanika Federation kawan hang ni nomor UI ru let's see ya ka mo baka ni ka sport ka ba kring ki Paidbah ki samla UI mene bon bha ki khna jongi mari UI gani le kring lut le ya rung lut kan thai bat chinrang kamut kadon kalong attractive kumbu ki ong pareng ka ba kring bakan ke jela ka but kalong ka sosarong bakan ni ka rule ball ka ka wala sandur napo India kambe ke jela ka ba nabar ka ka jila kai ke Sdang na popuni bakala spur mata spot nrepau tuli gri but ni kan mau manakani ha Gujarat but hapo Goa Nationals kani ka jila kai ke ladon mo te kasa sahangi ba jela Meghalaya begin pemkre ya jaka le kai ba ka asosian kan yo ya jingkachan naga sarkar ban yo mo ban pemkre ki state championship ki district competition begini we jingkam kinang don kam ki coach kinang don kam ki referee kinang bon ki jumpel krek ke baka association let's say ka Rule Ball Association kin hapun krek masong ka don kam ka jingya perkhat min sara syaka sarkar mangidang yai kran hi sarkar sepon ki jaka yele kai ki training venues mo hakaba kala don ki jingya kran haki arsenal mencoba sarkar ko ong sistem arsenal hapadeng berang fi ki jane stadium da krek setura da krek kini jingpen krek kidang nyak bat ngangek ba deladet kini jingpen krek ngilala pasutu manu badang duna manu badang mo badang kam te kumbang UI menta ta kamut ka wei pakawi ka asian ki don kam yakat training venue ke Bakarpang yang jongka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kunu wakil presiden jongka Meghalaya State Olympic Association na kibok yang na ai khulei kerpang ya kinokit kam jongkam Meghalaya Rule Ball Association kita simkian dan pembit pembiang ya kani ka Federation Cup nomor sisim bak nigo pembiang ini bat na kalian kan masih no ka jingdon kam jongki bannya mo punya keren sarkar lagi ban thau gilat kunti video dijungkisan min yaidon bakki bat ni pensiun riki bakin nang yak chama bat nget scam bakin sami bon ki samla ki bansa Tri lang bati ban pempur ni kerja nak kah peleng kerja.